My favorite type of movie genre is action. Action movies are packed with excitement, adventure, and thrilling moments that keep me on the edge of my seat. In this essay, I will discuss why I enjoy action movies so much and why they have become my go-to choice for entertainment. Using simple English words, I will explain the elements that make action movies so captivating. Action movies are a fantastic escape from reality. They provide a break from our everyday lives and transport us to a world filled with adrenaline-pumping scenes and heroic characters. The fast-paced nature of action films keeps me engaged throughout, as there is always something happening that keeps me guessing what will happen next. I am captivated by the intense chase scenes, mesmerized by the breathtaking stunts, and excited by the thrilling battles that take place in action movies. One of the main reasons action movies appeal to me is the sheer excitement they provide. From car chases to explosive fight scenes, action films have the power to get my heart racing and my adrenaline pumping. The feeling of anticipation and the element of surprise make action movies an exhilarating experience. I love the thrill of not knowing what will happen next and being taken on an exciting journey filled with twists and turns. In addition to the excitement, action movies often feature strong and courageous protagonists who are determined to overcome obstacles and save the day. These characters inspire me with their bravery and resilience. They serve as a reminder that, even in the face of adversity, one can find the strength and courage to overcome challenges. The heroic acts of these characters often leave me feeling motivated and empowered, reminding me of the potential we all have within ourselves. Another aspect of action movies that I appreciate is the visual spectacle they offer. From stunning special effects to impressive cinematography, action films are a feast for the eyes. The grandeur and scale of these movies immerse me in a visually captivating world, allowing me to appreciate the artistry and creativity behind the scenes. The combination of visual effects, sound design, and thrilling action sequences creates an immersive experience that leaves a lasting impression. Moreover, action movies often feature well-crafted storylines that blend excitement with compelling narratives. While action may be the primary focus, these movies often incorporate elements of suspense, mystery, or personal growth for the characters. This combination adds depth and substance to the overall movie-watching experience. It allows me to become emotionally invested in the characters and their journeys, making the action sequences even more impactful. Lastly, action movies provide a form of entertainment that can be enjoyed by a wide audience. Whether I watch them alone, with friends, or with family, action films have the ability to bring people together. The shared experience of watching heart-pounding moments and rooting for the heroes creates a sense of connection and camaraderie. The discussions and debates that follow the movie provide an opportunity for engaging conversations and bonding over common interests. In conclusion, action movies are my favorite genre due to the excitement, escapism, and visual spectacle they offer. The fast-paced nature, heroic characters, and thrilling moments keep me entertained and engaged. Moreover, the visual artistry combined with compelling storylines adds depth to the experience. Action movies provide a form of entertainment that can be shared and enjoyed by many, creating a sense of connection and fostering conversations. For these reasons, action movies will continue to be my go-to genre for an entertaining and exhilarating movie-watching experience.